Hello everyone and welcome to your third English lesson this week. And this learning intention is I can generate ideas using a story map. So we're going to be looking at the story map. You are going to be looking at the video of myself doing the actions. And as you do it, you need to look at the worksheet that you are given and you need to think about what words are missing. You can listen to myself as I read it out, or you can look at the pictures yourself and decide which words are missing. So the things we need to really remember this lesson are the actions. If we're spelling, we need to think about the phonics, what sounds are we using, and what key bits of vocabulary have we been learning about when looking at penguins.